Today we're making a classic Luxembourgish dish that is so easy to make and that only requires a few ingredients. We're making Wäinzoossiss with puree. For this we need Wainzoossiss sausages, cream, wine and mustard, and floury potatoes. Wäinzoossiss means wine sausage, and it is a bit misleading because there is no actual wine inside the sausage. It's just served with a wine and mustard sauce. And I'm starting with the nice buttery mash that will be served with it. And for that I am using floury potatoes. And now I'm putting them into cold water, and then they can cook for a good quarter of an hour until they're soft. So you can now make your mash with one of these classic potato mashers, or if you have one of these at home, this is the most practical hack ever. And I'm adding some milk and a whole lot of butter. Because the best purees are made with so much butter, you don't even want to know. If you go to a restaurant and it's so good, chances are it's half potato, half butter. Really smooth, really buttery. All that's missing is a bit of nutmeg. And this can now stay warm in my little pot while I fry my sausages. Wäinzoossiss is a coarse bratwurst-style sausage made from pork and beef, and it's easy pan-fried. You can also barbecue it, but for this recipe, since we're serving it with a sauce, we'll first fry it in a bit of butter. And once they're nicely browned, I'm adding some Luxembourgish white wine to it. I usually use Elbling. And then the most important thing, mustard and cream. And that's it. Now all that's left to do is the plating, and you might notice there is no vegetable inside. You could serve it with a green salad or with some garlicky French beans, but here in Luxembourg we love our meat with potatoes. And that's the quickest Luxembourgish meal you can make. Guten Appetit!